Hey guys, what is up? I hope you are doing great. This is day 3 of me filming myself, and today I have a great announcement to make, and I'm very excited about this. As we know, there are a lot of fitness challenges out there that exist in this world today, and we can follow them and we can improve ourselves. But I have decided to make my own fitness challenge. So why I am doing this, what is the big story behind it, and I will tell you all about this. But let me tell you one thing, that i have named it I have named this challenge as the Greek god challenge. So why? So as we all know, all the fitness freaks and the people who are interested in fitness and bodybuilding, they admire the Greek god physique. The type of physique, it is the end result, it is the ideal result. Anybody who has achieved something great in bodybuilding or fitness, they get compliments that they look like a Greek god, or they have a great physique, they look like the god of fitness, right? So I also admire Greek god. So I myself, I'm also a fitness enthusiast and I am in fitness. So I have decided to make my own challenge, as I said. So this challenge consists two workouts per day. In the morning I will be outdoor and I will work out outdoor in the park, right? So I will do 200 push-up, 200 squats, and 50 pull-ups, or 2 kilometer run, along with many other core exercise. So here in the outdoor I will build stamina and strength. I will focus on my core and my willpower. I will increase my strength, right? And in the evening I will go to the gym and I will hit the gym. I will do all the exercises that we can do in the gym, and there we will increase our muscle growth, we will increase the definition of our body. So this is what I call the Greek god challenge, and I am doing this every day for next 200 days at least. So if you have the gut, if you have the capability of doing intense workout every day, then I am telling you to complete at least this challenge. I am betting you, if you have the gut, then let's do it together. And so I will be uploading videos every single day of my workout for next 200 days, and this is going to be a great journey. This challenge is not about only about bodybuilding and fitness, but here we will work out twice a day. So it will also increase your strength and your endurance and your willpower. This challenge is not about only bodybuilding and fitness, but it will also improve your life, right? Any challenges that exist in the field of fitness and bodybuilding, they improve your life. But this one is difficult, I believe, because here we are working twice a day, and it is not easy to do 200 push-ups every day, run 2 kilometers, and do 200 squats along with 50 pull-ups and core exercises. And you are not giving enough time. In the evening you will also hit the gym. So for the next 200 days it is going to be a brutal way of living. So this is my personal choice. I am doing this for next 200 days, and if you have the gut and if you think you can do this, then why not? I mean, let's do this together. And in the end I believe it will change our life in a complete way. We will be a different man altogether, because as I said, this challenge is hard, and by doing hard things, we will make ourselves the strongest man that exists out there. So, this is it. I hope you like this thinking, and I hope you like this challenge. And I will be uploading the reels, the short Instagram videos, and YouTube videos that I will be uploading every single day as a regular basis, and I hope you will like it. And but I'm ending this video here, and I will meet you soon, guys, tomorrow, by doing this challenge every single day.